Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer eggplant parmesan with Zoodles. I'll be using my Breville Smart Oven Air and Philips Air Fryer XL. First up, you're going to need an eggplant. I'm using my plate mandolin to get even slices. I set it on the thickest setting, and that was about a 1/4 inch. I cut off the ends and peeled off all the skin. I then placed the slices on a paper towel that sat on top of a kitchen towel to remove some of the excess moisture. Next up is the zucchini. I will be using my veggie bullet to make zucchini noodles. This will be my faux pasta. This veggie bullet is pretty awesome. It makes noodles in literally seconds, and it also slices and shreds. Oh, and I just bought a French fry blade for it, and so soon I'll be using it to make some French fries. So watch out for that video. Perfect noodles. I placed the noodles in a colander with a little bit of salt to drain the excess moisture. Now it's time to work on the breading for the eggplant. I've got 2 eggs, and I've got about 3/4 cups of panko, a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm adding some Italian seasoning, some garlic salt, and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now let's spread the eggplant. I would normally dip in flour before egg, but I decided to skip the flour this time and see how that would work. Before placing the eggplant in the air fryers, I will be spraying the tops with a little bit of olive oil. I preheated my mesh basket in the air fryer so it is hot, and I sprayed it with olive oil. This will help with sticking. I have placed these in the Breville to cook for 6 to 8 minutes at 425. Next, I have preheated my Philips to 390. I'm spraying the basket, and I'm adding my eggplant, and I'm going to set these to cook for 6 to 8 minutes. After 4 minutes, I went to turn them over, and they were actually getting pretty brown on the other side, so they only needed like 1 more minute. So these cook for a total of 5 minutes. I then topped them with some marinara and some mozzarella cheese, and I put them back in the air fryer at 360 degrees for 1 minute. Here's what they look like when they were finished. Next, let's work on these zoodles. These will cook in just a few seconds. So I've got a hot skillet with some olive oil. I tossed in the zucchini with some red pepper flakes, some black pepper, and some salt. The noodles were pretty long, so I trimmed them with some scissors. Now it's time to plate it up. I am topping my noodles with some marinara, and then I grated some fresh Parmesan over the top. This looks great just like this, but we've got to add the eggplant. This was a super easy dish that ended up being super delicious. I was really surprised. It was really good. So I do hope you guys give this a try. And if you do, stop by my pages on Facebook and say hi and let me know that you liked it. I'll have links in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.